Have you seen the new anti-stick powder tool yet from Creative Memories, or have you used it? So how many of you look at stickers and want to put them down, but you're not quite sure if that's where you want them to be forever? I know I used to do that all the time, or I would take scissors and cut around them and set that on the page. With the new powder stick, you just take off your sticker, and it's still sticky. And you're gonna open up your powder stick. It takes a minute to get it going, but once you have it going, it doesn't take long at all. You gotta get the powder to the outside. And now I've turned that, it doesn't stick anymore. I have turned that sticker into an embellishment. So now I can just put my tape runner down, and if I wanted to put it on top of a photo, so if I wanted it to be here, but I haven't printed my pictures yet, I've made my page, I can put adhesive down here and not here. So I still can slide my photo under and then put some tape on that and stick it down. So anything that's sticky, you can just turn it over, put the powder stick on it. It works for any stickers. They can be the long laser stickers, they can be the border stickers, it doesn't matter, but you're literally just peeling it off. You can see it's sticky. And then dabbing it a few times with the powder stick, and you'll notice, you'll know when it's all done. But now this just becomes an embellishment. It's not going to stick anymore. Great little tool so you can plan your pages and make your pages ahead of time.